Good morning. I just wanted to take a second to show you a couple key features in Remind. First thing is to adding people to your page. You'll notice this is my home page. My dashboard is going to be a little bit more cluttered only because I have access to all the schools. I apologize about that. If I want to add people, I can simply go up to the right hand side, click Add People. You'll notice I have an opportunity for students, parents, and teachers. So if I know a student's phone or email address, I can enter that in there. I'm going to show you another opportunity for students to actually join your class without you adding them in. But this is a way that you can type in a student's name, a parent's name, phone, email address, and that will give you the opportunity for them to join the class. It will also, you can print PDFs. You're going to notice you will receive a hard copy today. If I simply click on Create PDFs, it's going to show you that PDF that I've created for you. You can download that to hand out. But again, I'm going to show you that today as well. So once I'm back at my dashboard, I'm going to show you how to add a new class. So if I want to add a class, not join existing class, but create a new class, I'll click on Create a New Class. I want to edit my icon. We'll say soccer. This is form of these. Go. And then you'll notice that the class code is already populated. So once the class code is populated, that will also be helpful, giving students an opportunity to join that class. Again, you will not need to go through all these steps, but I want to make sure that I'm in Spencerport Athletics. I do not need to click this because we do have a full district account, and then I will create. So once I've created that class, you can see that it's down in the classes that I've owned, and it's also on my dashboard. So I want to send a message if I would like to send a message. I'm not sure if you'll actually see this urgent message icon because it's for full district messaging from administrators. So I want to click on message. And again, yours will not be so cluttered, but I want to make sure that I click on soccer to continue. Once I've done that, you'll see the dialog box where I can type my message and I can send that message. I can also attach a document. I can translate that into a student's home language if that's necessary, and I can schedule a message. So if I just click on that, I can click the date and click on the time for that to go out as an automated message. So I'll send this even though I don't have anyone in this class, and that message has now been sent. So that's just the down and dirty way to create a message, add a class, and a new content. And please, if you have any other questions, you can always feel free to send me an email. Thank you, and have a good day.